Did you know? Alpacas communicate with a whole library of strange sounds. Alpacas are surprisingly vocal animals, using a rich range of noises to express emotions and intentions. Their most common sound is a soft hum, which can signal curiosity, calmness, confusion, or gentle concern. Mothers and babies hum to locate each other, creating a constant low soundtrack within the herd. When annoyed or threatened, alpacas may snort or emit sharp warning calls, while high-pitched screeches signal fear or serious alarm. Content alpacas sometimes make a quiet and sound resembles relaxed satisfaction. Beyond sounds, they rely heavily on body language, ear positions, neck posture, and facial expressions all send clear messages. Raised ears can mean interest, pinned ears suggest irritation, and dramatic side eyes often mean don't come closer.